Did you know that what you do in the first hour of your day can set the tone for your success, health, and happiness? Imagine unlocking boundless energy, razor-sharp focus, and a body that feels unstoppable all before breakfast. In this video, we're diving deep into the ultimate morning workout that will transform not just your body, but your life. Stay with me, because what you're about to learn will revolutionize your mornings forever. There's something magical about the morning, the crisp air, the quiet streets, and the promise of a brand new day. It's a sacred time when your mind is fresh, your body is ready, and the world hasn't yet begun to demand your attention. That's why the morning is the perfect time to dedicate yourself to a transformative workout. But here's the thing, not all workouts are created equal. In this video, we're not just going to talk about exercises. We're crafting a ritual, a sequence designed to optimize your body, awaken your mind, and ignite your spirit. It's more than just physical activity. It's a celebration of movement, a dance with life itself. And by the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step blueprint to create your perfect morning routine. Ready to start your transformation? Let's go. The power of morning workouts. Why mornings, you ask? Science has the answer. Studies have shown that exercising in the morning not only jumpstarts your metabolism, but also helps regulate your hormones throughout the day. Cortisol, the so-called stress hormone, is naturally high in the morning. When you exercise early, you channel that cortisol into productive energy instead of letting it build up and create anxiety. But it's not just about science, it's about the feeling. Picture this, while the world is still snoozing, you're awake, moving, thriving. You're ahead, not just of others, but of your own yesterday. By the time you hit the shower, you've already accomplished more than most people do by noon. It's a confidence booster like no other. Why most people fail at morning workout? Before we dive into the exercises, let me share something crucial. Most people fail at morning workouts because they approach it all wrong. They set unrealistic goals, follow cookie-cutter routines, and neglect the most important part, enjoying the process. Here's the truth, if your workout doesn't excite you, you won't stick with it. This isn't just about burning calories or building muscles. It's about creating a morning ritual that you look forward to, one that feels like a gift to yourself. That's why the routine we're about to discuss is customizable, energizing, and most importantly, are you ready to find out what it is? Let's get moving. The warm-up, wake up your body and mind. Every great workout begins with a warm-up, and this one is no different. The purpose of the warm-up isn't just to loosen your muscles, it's to shift your mindset. Start with a dynamic stretching sequence. Imagine reaching for the ceiling, feeling your spine lengthen, your joints open up, and your breath deepen. Next, move into some light cardio jumping jacks, high knees, or even a short jog in place. The goal here is to get your blood flowing and your heart pumping. Think of this as waking up your body from the inside out. By the end of this warm-up, you'll feel alive, energized, and ready to take on the world. Why stretching first thing is a game changer. Here's a quick but vital tip: never skip your stretches. Why? Because your body has been in a state of rest for hours. Stretching first thing sends a signal to your muscles. Wake up. It's time to shine. Plus, it improves flexibility, prevents injuries, and even enhances your mood. It's like giving your body a thank you note for carrying you through life. The main workout: strength, cardio, and core. Now comes the heart of your morning routine. We're going to focus on a balanced workout that incorporates strength training, cardio, and core exercises. This combination ensures you're building muscle, burning fat, and improving overall endurance all in one go. Start with strength training. Bodyweight exercises like push-ups, squats, and lunges are excellent because they don't require equipment. Not only do these moves build muscle, but they also engage multiple muscle groups, making your workout efficient and effective. Aim for 3 sets of each exercise, with about 12-15 repetitions. Once your muscles are fired up, transition into cardio. This could be anything from shadowboxing to burpees to a quick sprint in place. The goal here is to get your heart rate up and sweat pouring. Cardio not only burns calories, but also releases endorphins, the feel-good hormones that leave you with that famous post-workout glow. Finally, let's hit the core. Planks, bicycle crunches, or leg raises, choose your favorite moves to target your abs. A strong core isn't just about aesthetics. It's the foundation for good posture, balance, and overall strength. Wrap up with 3 sets of a plank hold, aiming to increase your time each day. The one move you're not doing but should. Here's an underrated exercise that deserves a spot in your morning routine: the Turkish get-up. This full-body move combines strength, coordination, and mobility. It's challenging, yes, but incredibly rewarding. Give it a try. It might just become your new favorite. The cool-down, reset, and recharge. Your workout isn't complete without a proper cool-down. This is the time to bring your heart rate back to normal and prepare your body for the day ahead. Start with some static stretches, holding each position for 20-30 seconds. Focus on the areas you worked most intensely: your legs, arms, and core. Then, end with deep breathing exercises. Inhale through your nose for a count of 4, hold for 4, and exhale through your mouth for 6. This calms your nervous system and leaves you feeling centered and peaceful. It's the perfect way to transition from workout mode to productivity mode. The secret sauce to staying consistent. Sticking to a morning workout can be tough, but here's a secret: make it non-negotiable. Treat it like brushing your teeth or drinking your morning coffee, something you do no matter what. And here's the bonus: the more consistent you are, the more you'll start craving it. Morning workouts have a way of becoming addictive in the best way possible. Fueling your morning post-workout nutrition. Now that you've moved your body, it's time to fuel it. What you eat after a workout is just as important as the workout itself. Your body needs a combination of protein and carbs to recover and rebuild. Think scrambled eggs with avocado toast, a protein smoothie, or Greek yogurt with fresh fruit. And don't forget hydration. Your body loses water during exercise, so replenish it with a tall glass of water or a refreshing herbal tea. Staying hydrated ensures your muscles stay flexible and your mind stays sharp. Morning workouts are not just about fitness. Here's the most surprising part: morning workouts don't just change your body, they change your entire life. They improve your mood, boost your productivity, and even enhance your relationships. When you start your day with intention and energy, that positivity ripples into every aspect of your life. Think about it: if you can conquer a challenging workout before 8 a.m., what can't you do? Your morning miracle awaits. Imagine waking up tomorrow, lacing up your shoes, and stepping into the best version of yourself. Imagine feeling stronger, more energized, and more alive than ever before. That's the power of a morning workout. And the best part? You don't have to wait. You can start this transformation tomorrow. So, what are you waiting for? Hit the like button, subscribe for more life-changing health tips, and let me know in the comments how your first morning workout goes. Together, let's make every day a masterpiece.